Hey guys, my name is Turco Live, and today I'm going to show you how to stream off of your PS4 to Twitch, YouTube, and Twitter. This is for the people that do not have a professional PC setup. The first thing you're going to want to do is click the share button on your PS4, and then you're going to want to go ahead and scroll down to the sharing and broadcast settings. And then when you're on this menu, you're going to want to go ahead and link with the other services. And you have your three different options here: Twitch, Twitter, and YouTube. And for today's lesson, we're going to go ahead and use Twitch. And this is right here going to show that you have to link your PS4 to your Twitch. And you have a couple different options here. You can head on over to twitch.tv/activate or use your QR code, and then you would have to enter in the 6-digit code. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and follow that link, twitch.tv/activate. I'm going to go ahead and pull that up here for you guys. And then on this menu here, you're going to want to put in that 6-digit code that you were given off of your PS4. And then you're going to want to go ahead and click activate. And then when it says that you've done it, you have successfully linked your account. And it does show that here. It says your SEN account is now linked to your Twitch account. And then you click OK. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go back into the actual game that you want to stream. You have to be in the actual game so that you would be able to stream it. Then you're going to click the share button again, and then you're going to go to the broadcast gameplay option. Now we're going to use Twitch based off of our previous pick here. Now on this menu, it's going to say whether you want to include your video from your PlayStation camera in the audience, in the broadcast, there, so that you're able to show everybody who you are, and so they have a more personable relationship to you. Or you can choose to include the microphone audio in the broadcast. Also display message to spectators and spectator comments. Usually you want to leave that checked so people can see, so you can see the chat and everything like that. Right here you can change the title of your stream here, and so that people know what they are watching and what any kind of content is there. Now here you're able to pick the kind of quality for your stream here: 540, 720, all the way down to 360. Now if you are streaming off of Wi-Fi, the highest you would want to go to is 540. And now if you are hardwired PS4, 720 with 60 frames is definitely feasible off of your PS4. Always recommend that you do have your PS4 tied to a hardwired connection though, because you always will have a better quality to your stream, to your viewers. So for this example, let's go ahead and do 540 high, and then you can also choose to send an invitation to your friends, other players you've met, and then you can send that invitation. They'll get a notification that you are live, and then they come watch you play. Now the last option here is that you would want to do start broadcasting. And with that, that is the end of the tutorial. Make sure to like, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials on things that I could help you with. Also any recommendations of things that you would want a tutorial about. And with that, that is the end of the video. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, guys.